This is the most important implication of the announcement that IIM Kozhikode came up with yesterday. Now I know that a lot of students are worried about the admit card download date getting delayed from 5th to the 12th, right? Because we don't know what slot we will get, so we will have less time to acclimatize. We also don't know what our center is, so if it is not in our preferred city, we might have to book tickets and so on. But in the midst of all of these very valid concerns, many students have missed out the most important information, and that is this part, that this year there are only 2.95 lakh eligible candidates. Hi, I'm Sanjana from MockCat, where you get directly mentored and coached by 99.9 plus percentilers, and I'll explain why this number is so important. Now last year, we had about 3.3 lakh people register for the CAT exam, and take a guess how many turned up. If you don't know, it might surprise you that only 2.93 lakh people turned up for the exam. But this is always the case. You will typically have about 10% people, either they couldn't make it or they feel they're not prepared, so they don't go for it, whatever it is, right? So you will have a smaller number of people always enter for the exam. So what does that mean? Now we were expecting about 3.4, 3.5 lakh people to register, and then again, you'll have about 3+ lakh candidates take it. When it is 2.95 lakh only, that means the maximum people that you can expect who will attend the exam, it's going to be 2.7 lakh, right? It will probably be less than that. Conservatively, let's say that 2.7 lakh people are going to turn up for the exam. And there's something positive and something negative out of it. And I think a lot of you have realized what the negative is. And that is, you need to be even better to get the percentiles which you need. What do I mean by that? See, 99 percentile simply means your score is greater than equal to 99% people, or to put it another way, you have to be in the top 1%. Now, the top 1% of 3 lakh people is of course 3,000, but the top 1% of 2.7 lakh people is 2,700. Right? So you got to be in the top 2,700 this time to get 99 percentile and not the top 3,000. And 300 ka difference seems low, but think about the sectional cutoffs. Now sectional cutoffs are between 70 to 85th percentile for general category students. So let's take 85th percentile. Out of 3 lakh people, you got to be in the top 45,000 in each section to clear the sectional cutoffs. You get that 85th percentile, you're eligible for all of the IIMs, right, as a general category student. Now with 2.7 lakh people taking it, now you've got to be in the top 40,000 almost, right? So that becomes a significant reduction, especially if there is one section where you're weak in and you are just about clearing the sectional cutoffs. So this is a somewhat negative which is there, which means that we typically focus on our strong section in the last few weeks, but now we've got to make sure that even in our weaker sections, we are getting a slightly higher score so that we clear the cutoffs, right? And what's the positive of this? Now, the positive is, you have your ABCLKI where they calculate a composite score and they look at a bunch of things. Of course, your CAT score is the most important. But a lot of other institutes, in fact, the majority of the institutes, including a lot of IIMs, say you got to get a certain minimum, right? So IIMs will have a sectional and an overall. Many B schools will do that, or they will say you just need to get this minimum percentile in CAT, and then I'm going to shortlist you for the interview process, right? So take the CAP IIMs, for example, that's these ones, right? A good chunk of them. Earlier, they used to say that for general category, if you have 92 percentile in CAT or higher, we are going to shortlist you. Of course, sectionals are there, right? But 92 percentile overall is what was required. When the number of test takers increased over the last couple of years, they made it 95th percentile, right? Similarly, Rohtak increased from 95 to 96 and so on. But these IIMs said instead of 92, now you have to get 95 percentile or higher for me to call you if you're from the general category. Now with the lower number of takers, that number can actually drop down. And that means that even if you end up scoring slightly lower, you can actually expect more calls. So that's the good news. Now, if you're preparing for CAT 2025 and you want to know what to do in these last 25 days, then check out this video next. All the best.